Hello everyone, it's Susan with Organizing with Susan. Today I thought I would go over one of the planners that I will be using for 2019. I started a wellness journey about a year ago and used the wellness extension pack that Happy Planner was selling, and I was quite successful with it this year. So I thought when I saw Healthy Hero, the new planner coming out, I immediately jumped on it. It is a wonderful hybrid between the Wellness Extension Pack and their old fitness planner. So let me just go ahead and give you a quick flip through. This one has two different cover options, and I chose the polka dot. It comes with turquoise metal discs. So pretty. Okay, hello Healthy Hero. Then you have a spread for 2019 and 2020. I just love all the font, and there's a lot of ombre coloring throughout. Okay, and then your currently page, it's kind of fun. It's got your January goals, 1, 2, and 3, what inspires me, important dates, and then how I'm strengthening my mind, my body, what I'm loving about myself. It just has wonderful words of encouragement throughout. For January, always believe in yourself. And then for the month, it's got 4 top priorities. It's got your national holidays, just a lot of fun. It's very colorful. Okay, these are some little notes to myself of how I'm going to use the planner. You could use this as your catch-all planner for everything, but I'm strictly going to use it for wellness and fitness. It's got goals this week, and then it goes into your water tracker, and it's got dates at the top. The first section is today, the second section is focus, the third section is your food log, and the last section is exercise. How I'm going to use this planner, and I will do a plan with me here fairly soon. I like to monitor my sleep, so that will probably be in the first section. The second section, I track my weight. My food log will be my food diary during that every day, and then the exercise that I do, walking, distance, etc. So that is January, and it's the same for that whole month. Then February, same thing for currently. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Then we have February. And then on February monthly, the colors change ever so slightly. You've got more of like a pink, a purple, and then back to pink. And that is for all of February. And then March, sweat today, smile tomorrow. And March, it's kind of fun. It's got green and yellow, and then goes into the pink. So it's ever so slight, but I really like that, because that way you're not really stuck to particular stickers. April, so pretty. And then this one, we're blue, green, pink, and then it's blue for exercise at the bottom. May, be stronger than your strongest excuse. Oh, pretty gold foil. May. And this one has blue, green, orange, and pink. June in silver foil says breathe in, breathe out. So pretty. And then it is blue, kind of like a red, purple, and back to like red. It's just really neat. July, a healthy outside starts from the inside. And this is where we go back to the yellow. Blue, green, yellow, and pink. August, you were stronger than you think. Remember why you started. Soar today, strong tomorrow. You can do it. It's just got a bunch of fun, think positive inspirational quotes in silver foil. And then it's the blue, green, pink, and blue. September, change nothing and nothing will change. Not the truth. And then it's blue, green, orange, and pink. October, stretch and strengthen. It's blue, pink, purple, back to pink. November, just get out and go with silver foil. And then it's the blue, green, yellow, pink. And then December, zip and stripe. Blue, green, pink, back to blue. And then what's really neat in these deluxe planners, you have a notes section. Be healthy, be active, be happy. It's got some fun 30-day self-care challenges, some ideas that you can do for self-care. And then it's got, for 30 days, I will work on challenges. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then a time to reflect, best moments to remember the date, what you're grateful for, what inspires you, how to spend time unplugged, favorite way to practice self-care. We have 1, and it's grid on the back, 2, 3, oh, I love that blue, 4, you have 6 pages of those. So pretty. So when I get organized here, I will definitely film a plan with me. So hope you enjoyed that. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thanks so much. See you guys. Bye-bye.